So while they are trying to move the tree, I'm going to just give you a little tour of where we're driving. So this is the Maya rainforest. It's absolutely beautiful. You can hear all the sounds. There's birds, grasshoppers. So I've got some animal flying around my head. Okay. And you see there's so much debris. There's lots of plants, there's remains of leaves. It's extremely thick. So you could have a Maya building hidden literally 2 meters away from you, and you wouldn't be able to see it, because just look how thick it is. You can't see anything.